Ibook page 123, Unit 1, Student 6. 4a. Read. 1. 5 boroughs of New York. Our JFK Airport is Brooklyn. Manhattan is the oldest and most famous part. Queens, the Bronx and Staten Island. 2. 5 boroughs form a city of more than 8 million people with an enormous mixture of cultures, traditions and human activities. 3. 4 centuries ago, Manhattan was an island of woods, fields and streams that was home to Native Americans. 4. In 1625, some Dutch people arrived in Manhattan and founded New Amsterdam. 5. Dutch people bought the island for just $500 of goods. 6. The British took over New Amsterdam in 1664 and renamed the village New York. 7. By 1830 New York was the main center of trade in the USA. 8. USA had been independent of British rule since 1776. 9. Before 1800, most immigration had been from Britain, but then millions started coming, first from across Europe and then from all over the world. 10. Immigrants entered America through New York, and many of these stayed. 11. Even today, half the population are immigrants or children of immigrants. 12. The immigrants in New York still help to give the place its great energy. 13. New York today has experienced bad times as well as good. For example, crime levels in the 1970s were extremely high. New York has recovered in the 1970s. 14. New York remains a center of banking, law, tourism, publishing, fashion, art, theater and IT. 15. Empire State Building is the tallest building with a height of 1,470 feet in the world when it opened in 1931, and it has remained a great tourist attraction. 16. Visitor can see a lot from the top of the Empire State Building is 80 miles in a clear day. Look southwest across the water to the famous Statue of Liberty and North Theater District and farther north Central Park.